So this is gonna be May's Petrol Box. Gonna open it up for you guys so you guys can see what we got this month. Alright, let's get this thing open. So is this what's gonna be inside? So first off, it's a wash mitten. This is like the second one I get. Not from them, I got another one from a different box, but definitely useful when I'm washing my car. Oh, this is gonna come in handy. A pick set. Pretty dope. I don't know what happened to my other pick set that I got, but these do come in handy, so that's good. If you guys want to 50% off, you guys can use that code. Don't forget to check them out. We got an air freshener. I wonder what it smells like. Let's see. I don't know. I guess I'll find out later. But yeah, Mishimoto. Here's another air freshener. Oh, that's pretty dope. Got an Apple Porsche sticker. This is the magnet they throw in each box. This month was, oh, this one subscriber was for May. Let me see if I can get it to focus. I don't think it wants to focus, but yep. Some shampoo for the car. So I can go with that. And then looks last to be the shirt. So what we got. Oh, okay, Mishimoto. Team Mishi on the back. Simple design. Pretty cool. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna start off with the wash mitten. I'm gonna give you guys a description of what they put on the card. It says premium microfiber wash mitt. Keep your car clean without scratching it with the super soft microfiber car wash mitt. Alright, like I said, I just got it washed, but definitely gonna carry this in the car because the other one I got's all dirty, and then that's well, I washed the other one, I could always use this one. So yeah, there's that. Next we got two air fresheners they threw in. One's the Mishimoto and one's their Petrol Box one. I'm not gonna know what they are or like what they smell like. These planes, man, these planes. Yeah, I live by the Air Force Base, so they're always passing by. But I'm not gonna be able to tell you guys what they smell like because I'm not gonna open them because then they'll lose the smell. But once I do open them, I'll know. Alright. And next is the little code. Discount code if you guys want to use it. 5%. Then here's the pick set that they threw in. Alright, so this is a grip-on mini pick and hook set. Great for pulling O-rings, seals, cotter pins, retaining clips, removing or installing springs to clean or scrape rust and corrosion from hard to reach areas. So that is the description they put on that. Alright, so I found it. Literally this is what's left from my old pick set that I bought a few years back. Literally it's just the one. So like I said, this it's gonna come and very handy. Alright, so next we got the color foam shampoo. So the description for that is, this unique formula provides the extra wow factor that makes detailing fun. A fun experience from producing a thick red soap to its amazing bubble gum scent. There's nothing basic about this color foam shampoo. Make your rain red suds. So yeah, this is gonna go good with all my other shampoos and car detailing stuff. Definitely gonna be using this. Then we have the Porsche sticker from Apple Computer. Pretty dope. And lastly, like I said, we got the shirt. Let's see. Just Mishimoto on the front. And then Temishi on the back. Dang, I already got it dirty. Okay, it's cool. But the description for the shirt: Mishimoto, the world leader in performance cooling products, was created for automotive enthusiasts by automotive enthusiasts. Mishimoto has produced a line of upgrades to fit nearly any application, including sports, compacts, power sports, trucks, jeeps, muscle vehicles, daily drivers, and the classics. And that's the description for the shirt. Yeah. Mishimoto, dope brand, so definitely gonna like the shirt right now. And yeah, that's it for the May's box. I'm about to open up another box soon, so I wonder if anybody's gotten this, the golden ticket to win a set of rims or wheels. For May's, it was Rotiform. Yeah, I'm curious. Alright, so if you guys want to give out this subscription a try for the Petrol Box, I'm going to leave it in the link down below. Leave it in the description. They're a pretty cool box. They're not too expensive. Pretty cheap and good quality stuff. So give them a shot. Check them out.